स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. Today in this video we'll talk all about the TISNET, the very new program offered by TISS, that is Master of Arts or Master of Science in Analytics. So here we'll discuss the important points like program details, seat availability, fee structure, campus and the placement. So let's move further. If you are preparing for TISNET and in case you want to join the online program, you can call or WhatsApp on this number, or you can simply visit at manwaredu.com. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So moving further, the first point we'll discuss about the program details. As you know, the TISS, it is established in 1936 and the Mumbai campus is the hub for all programs offered by TISS. So in campus, the School of Management and Labor Studies offers all these programs such as the Master of Arts and Master of Science in Analytics, Master of Arts in Globalization and Labor, Human Resource Management and Labor Relations, ODCL and in Social Entrepreneurship. And friends, detail about all these programs you can watch our previous videos, and here we'll talk only about analytics. So let's move further. So friends, अगर बेसिक में जानना चाहे analytics क्या होता है, so here I will give an example, that is Google Map. सपोज आप कहीं जाना चाहते हो और आपने गूगल मैप में डेस्टिनेशन सर्च कर दिया। अब आपको ऑल पॉसिबल वेज, द शॉर्टेस्ट रूट और लॉन्गेस्ट रूट गूगल मैप बताएगा और इन डिटेल आपको रूट्स एंड डायरेक्शन भी बताएगा। वहां कहीं ट्रैफिक होगी तो टाइम इंडिकेशन होगा 20 मिनट्स लेट और 30 मिनट्स लेट फॉर एग्जांपल। अब आपको जाना अर्जेंट है तो आप डिसाइड करेंगे आइदर 30 मिनट्स पहले निकले या 40 मिनट्स पहले। सो अब आपने जो भी डिसीजन लिया तो आपके पास एक डेटा था कि आपको आपके डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचना है और वहां जाने में आपको इतना समय लगेगा। सो ओवरऑल जो भी डेटा आपको मिला, उस डेटा पर आपने जो डिसीजन लिया, उस डिसीजन से आप अपने डेस्टिनेशन पर पहले भी पहुंच सकते हैं और लेट भी पहुंच सकते हैं। सो ओवरऑल इट मीन्स आपने जो भी डिसीजन लिया विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस डेटा, इसे हम कहेंगे एनालिटिक्स। फॉर एग्जांपल एनालिसिस। अब एनालिसिस क्या होता है? सो इट फोकसेस ऑन द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ पास्ट, that means what happened and when it happened, but analytics mainly focuses on why something happened and what will be happen in the future. So it applies the data pattern towards effective decision making. And with respect to business, it gives you ideas about what are the opportunities, what should be business models, what it will give, what will be decisions to make. And it is very demanding in the corporate world, in corporate data, census, annual data, annual survey. So come to the program details. The School of Management and Labor Studies has the seat intake of 34. The duration of course is for 2 years, that means 4 semester, and it includes one internship or fieldwork that is for 2 months, and it also includes the research dissertation, where in the first semester you will get the foundation course and in the rest of semester you will get the grounded learning on the philosophy of analytics. So the question comes, why analytics only through TISS? So here are the top reasons why from TISS. So the first one is it visualize and analyze the big data. It provides the grounded learning on the philosophy of analytics and predictive modeling. It applying the analytics to the sustainable development goals, and in collaboration live analytics project with industries and civil society organizations. It makes the benchmark with global learning standards in analytics due to modeling the economy, business, organizations, society and environment. It transferring the ideas into data products, human dimension of data and technologies, and interactive learning through series and seminars and workshops. And in TISS, this program has been coordinated by Labor Market Research Facility. So let's move further. Here we'll talk about the fee structure. As the MA in Analytics is the self-finance program, so here you will see the little bit high fee structure as compared to other programs. So here the academic fees is approximately 6.49 lakh for 2 years, and with hostel fees it is 7.73 lakh for 2 years. So friends, don't worry about the fee structure because TISS has the 100% placement and it gives the best return on investment. So let's move further, and here we'll talk about the career scope and the placement. So friends, जैसे कि आप जानते हो, it is a complete new program, and with respect to placement, the placement cell of TISS is working on it. So regarding the recruiters, firms, organization, research facilities who will take part in placement, here we will get information after 2020. But here I have some data regarding the placement and the career scope. You can be get employment in the scientific, commercial and government enterprises, some of the banking organizations, in the IT firms, in government organization and in consultancy firms, most commonly as data scientist, statistician, business analyst, consultants, modelers and researchers and others. So friends, overall in today's world, जैसे जैसे टेक्निक आगे बढ़ती जा रही है, so it is very important to work on the related data, and thus it will gives the immense opportunity and the vast career scope. Some of the organization as the IT firms like Capgemini, Infosys, various banking sectors, in government organization for national surveys. So friends, जैसे कि आप जानते हो, if you are in TIS then you will get the 100% placement. So even analytics एक new program है और यहाँ आपको placement regarding चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं. So to enter into TIS and being a part of this data world, prepare for TISnet, and to crack TISnet, join Manwar online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full course, and here you can also interact live with us where you will get all this stuff as complimentary. So call on 8828581455 or you can simply visit at manvoedu.com/MBA-entrance, and this link I also mention in the description, so kindly check the description. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career, see you in the next video.